did it and did it, did it, did it. You did it and did it, did it, did. You did it and did it, did it, did it.
Jinxed ourselves. We'll probably get up here and telegraph and be in bumper to bumper.
Have been driving to the campground. Woo! We're going on a lovely camping trip. Woo!
Of course, everyone and their brother's going to pass us.
Yes. A
Like
motorhome does
Titanic.
not go that fast.
By a snake truck. Should have cleaned the windshield. Got all about it.
Is it dirty?
Yeah, look at it. Muddy bits all over the place.
You would be able to reach.
Huh?
You would be able to reach that high.
Yeah, you can wash it with the brush, but like that I used to wash the cars.
Oh, your brush. I thought you were talking about when you were at the gas station.
I could have got maybe eye level, but jumped.
Yeah.
There's a little smart car coming up on our side.
Yeah.
Well, we could easily, I think my big wheel, my front tire could run it over.
Yeah.
Here he comes. Reminds me of the wind-up toy.
Yep. That little car that's passing us. We will get there. We will get to our campground. Passenger, woohoo! That worked. I don't know if that worked.
Co-pilot?
Yes. Here I am. Kevin calls me the co-pilot, but I have no idea where we're going. So I'm not that good of a co-pilot.
That's all right. What happens when you leave late? We only got about 10 miles. Not that big a deal.
This is fun. We'll be there soon. Yay! I had the cap on.
Oh, I do that all the time. So if you look at ahead, it kind of gets dark and dusty.
Yeah?
We gotta go on the other side of it, dark and dusty.
Oh, okay.
Eventually we'll run.
We're on our way to our campsite. Woo! This road will take us to our campsite. My sweetie. Oh, it is?
Yeah. It's just dirt.
We go straight through?
Going straight through. There's no outlet. This road actually ends in the campground.
Woo!
See what camping sign?
Yep. Here we go on our dirt road to our campsite. Woo! It'll take us to the campground. Yay! Woo! Oh, man.
Sail the what?
Oh, yeah. No hands. Woohoo!
Well, we got a little bit of room to play. There's no one on the road.
I know.
It's all filled in.
Oh,
There was
look
the
at
one
all
working
that.
on the other side now.
Oh, you can see water over there. I see it. It's coming. Coming.
Big house. Here now. The winter. Probably gonna make us go into the office because I think we gotta sign some papers anyway.
You do or do I?
We both will. Because they'll park us off to the side.
There we go. We are coming to the entrance of the campsite. Yay! We're on the campground. Yay!
You can tell if anyone's in the little shack or not. Probably not this night.
Here is the little thing we're supposed to go to, but
Yeah, we'll have to sure here.
it's not there.
Now we'll just go over here and then we gotta walk.
We have to go to the office. Well, maybe that's me. We're going to have to go to that office there.
I got your pointing. Now we can see where you're pointing.
Why? Hey, I'm sorry. I'm not good at these, sweetie. I didn't grow up with these. See, there's the office. We have to walk there now. Here's Kevin hooking up our lines.
Yes.
This is not the site we were given first. It's our second site. The first one was too small.
It's the same one I was back in March of '07 when Jason and Amy were here.
Ooh.
Back by the same burnt up fire pit.
So he's gonna hook everything up. We can have hookup and start our vacation.
Oops.
And, unless he kills himself in the
I might
process.
just try.
Then we might not, because I don't know how to do anything.
At least these are up higher than they used to. Last time I was here, they had to come and help me find it.
Really? Here he is. I'm gonna plug in to number 8. We're in lot 8.
And she should be on. The refrigerator should shut off of gas. Yeah, it's a phone system if you want a phone.
Is there other things we don't need?
Right.
Now he's gonna hook up the water.
No, that little guy ain't gonna help us.
We need the big hose.
I probably won't need one of them.
Well, try what you want to do first.
Okay, we should get,
Hmm?
so I should get by with just one.
Ooh, sounds like there's still water in one of them. Now we go to the water hookup, which is right there. Here it goes,
Quite colorful.
hooking it up to the motorhome. Woohoo!
And hopefully we don't have any leaks. Turn the water on.
Yay.
Spraying all over.
Oh, and there it goes. It's spraying a little, sweetie.
Yeah. One of them was ran over, so I think it's probably that one.
Connecting again.
Damn it.
We have water! Yay, water! There's my sexy man. Getting the stinky stuff out.
Yeah, it's that time.
Now it's connecting to the sewer, the dump thing. Ooh.
Can you pause it for a second?
Yep. We're in. You want help with that too?
Huh?
So do you want help with that?
Wouldn't lie to you, doesn't matter what I do. She's got a hold on me. She knows how to drive a truck, but she lets me pick her up when we're going dancing. My heart starts beating when my headlights shining on her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you what she's doing with me. She's so damn out of my league. She's a little bit crazy on the weekends, dancing in her red dress, and I love the way she looks in my eyes. And I'm feeling like midnight's getting closer, and I just wanna hold her in my arms till the sun comes up. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. She's a little bit country. Yeah, she's my country girl. She can let her hair down, but got her feet on the ground. I can't get enough of her. She can drive me so wild, just with that sweet smile, and there's nobody else for me. My heart starts racing every time I'm looking at her. She's my country girl. I couldn't tell you